Hi, I'm Alex Bollig. I'm going to be the transition skills teacher for your student this year. I look forward to meeting all of you at some point in time and hearing what your thoughts are on your student moving forward into this crazy world we have outside. So who am I? I am a father, I'm a teacher, I'm an educator, and I'm a friend. This is my 8th year working in the district in various roles and my 10th year of overall teaching. I spent several years in Florida teaching and then also in Minnesota. At home, I have 2 daughters. I have Nora, who is 3, and Lucy, who is 9 months. So I know how important family is to you, and I know how important family is to me. So when your student is in my room, I'm going to do everything I can to help get them ready to be a successful human when they walk out of these doors as a graduate or as they walk out of my room to their next classroom. Ways to contact me. The best way to contact me is through my school email. And the second best way is through my room phone. However, if I don't answer, please leave a voicemail and I will return your call at the office hour time. So what is transition skills? Transition skills is going to be done on Schoology. It should be laid out each day. The student will have either in-person learning or through a hybrid. They'll have online check-ins. They're going to have supplementary videos, worksheets, discussions, and other items to be done at home during their distance learning days. And the online students are going to be joining the Monday and Wednesday in-person groups for their work and then doing distance learning the other 3 days. I'm always open to answer any questions with the scheduling. I know it is quite crazy the way things are going this year. What is the outlook of this class? So in this class, my goal is to build advocacy skills for your student, help them look at the picture around them of how can they balance life and how can they care for themselves so we don't get run down trying to do 16 different things in one day. I hopefully will teach them some study habits and tricks to help them in their school day. We'll look at financial literacy because most students are going to start having a job or move on to the real world, and they need to know what's going on with their paychecks and other areas of finances. Each student's going to look at their IEP and really get to understand what it's going to do for them, how it helps them, and what happens when they graduate and they have an IEP. And then we're going to look at some career exploration. U-Science is a unique program that we're going to use that really helps narrow down what kids would be very successful at as far as a career, but it doesn't just limit them to that. And then we're going to have Zoom guest speakers all year coming in and trying to communicate and connect with students to widen their range of what's out there. The office hours are from 1:20 to 2:10 Monday through Thursday. At this point, we will be reaching out to students to give them additional help. We'll be checking in with students, and students can always request time to come in and talk with us, whether it's in person or through online. And Fridays from 12:10 to 2:10 will be our office hours. Again, at the bottom is how to contact me. And the last thing to remember is your student's day is not done when they get home, whether that be at 2:10 or if they're leaving after lunch. They may still need to use that time to finish their schoolwork or check in with myself. Please feel free to contact me if you have any questions, and I look forward to working with your students this year.